Okay, so we're going to be automating this login screen inside Test Modeler to create Katalon automation scripts. And to do that, the first thing we need to do is perform some object scans inside Katalon. Now, if you have any object scans that already exist, we can import those and we'll show you as we go through the example. But the first thing we're going to do is come in and hit this Spy Web button. And that's going to open the Katalon Spy here. And we can specify our URL and then we can hit the Start button, which is going to go away and open a Chrome browser for us. Now in here we can right click on the components we want to use and we can click the Capture Object button, and that's going to capture those objects inside Katalon and make them available as page objects. Once we're finished, we can close that and we can review what we've scanned, and then we can hit the Save button here and go and add these into our object repository. So we're just going to go in, add these, hit OK, and you'll see we've now got these actions imported into Katalon. Now the next step, we can import these into Test Modeler and make them available. Now we're just going to be directly copying these in, but we can also embed these using our Git integration, which requires no copy and pasting. So to do this, we're going to open the folder, we're going to zip these files up, and you'll see we've got all three in a zip folder here. And then what we can do is we can come into Test Modeler, come into wherever we want to import them to. Here we're going to import them into our components folder. We'll hit the Code Page Objects button, we'll navigate to the folder where that zip file is, and we'll select it, and we'll hit the Import button, and that's going to perform the import of these Katalon actions. So now if we press the back button, we take a look, what you'll see is that we have our email, our password, and our sign-in button here. And we can view those modules and different actions that have been created. Now we're just going to clean this up a little bit. We'll create a new folder. We'll call this our login form. Hit save, and we're just going to move these three items inside here just to make the project a little cleaner. So we'll move those into our components, login folder, hit OK, and we'll see those are now available in here. Now for those of you who are a little bit more advanced with Katalon already, if we look at one of these and we look at the code sat behind it, what you'll see is that behind the scenes in Test Modeler, we're just calling the different Katalon actions to go and perform whatever function we have embedded inside here with associated parameters if they need to have any.